Hey guys, I'm from Norden Seal Windows, and today we have a wonderful exhibition day in RBC Convention Center. We have full vinyl package windows and steel doors and also fiberglass doors. So we'll be more than happy to see you around and give you our best price.
So we're Take Place. We're a modular home building company, and we basically reinvented the way that a house goes together from the ground up. And basically the secret to our kind of design approach and our invention is that every component nests into the last component, all the way from the piles to the countertops. So it's a super comprehensive package for how to build a house.
So I'm Kelly, and we're here at the Shelf Life Feature. It's the first time that this event has ever been sponsored by the show. The idea of the Shelf Life Feature is to take 3 identical shelves, style them individually so that people can see how they can be styled. Typically, this is a pain point for individuals to understand how to style their shelves, and we wanted to show you how it can be done and give you a visual example to replicate in your own home.
Hey, it's Mike Bonaventura with the Archambault Bonaventura team of Century 21 Sun Country Realty. We are the #1 team with Century 21 in Manitoba and number 11 in all of Canada. Come see us at the booth, and we'd be glad to answer any of your real estate questions.
Hi, I'm Sarah from Canadiana Camper & Co, and we do tent and camper rentals. So we set up in your backyard or your favorite campground. We bring all of the stuff, we set it up, and you get to enjoy it. And then we clean it up after, so you don't have to do any of the work.
Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm with the Better Business Bureau. So what we do in our community, we bring prevention and awareness for everybody. So if you're looking for a contractor, to service your house and you want peace of mind, you can look up the betterbusinessbureau.org online, or you could grab one of these consumer buying guide so you're aware of what's going on in our community to prevent you from getting scammed out there.
Hi, we are EcoForest Flooring from Winnipeg, Manitoba, and we specialize in the restoration of hardwood floors. We can refinish them to natural, to stain, and if you don't have hardwood floors, we do also supply and install them, and they can be custom stained, custom species, whatever you're looking for, we can get for you.
Hello, we're introducing you to a stretch ceiling product, which is PVC film. Our main purpose is install product underneath of your existing ceiling to cover any imperfection of the ceiling you currently have.
ICE Projects is a security company that's located in Winnipeg, and we specialize in installing security cameras, security systems, smart house, or any low voltage solutions in your mind.
Hi, we are Duick Builders. We specialize in building sustainable custom homes. We also do larger renovation products, but we focus on energy efficient homes where we're very good at being able to control the quality of air in homes, levels of insulation so that you have a home that's going to last a long time and perform to the best of its abilities.